Bitcoin update, monthly and weekly, seems to come together. We got the review that we're going to put up here for on the monthly, starting first. In monthly, we got a bullish trend up with this price action, then came drastically down, pulled back down to about 60,000 with a high up to 126, so about 50% down. It went from November, went down, December sideways, January down, February down. Now we're starting March with a slightly down candle. But of course, this is just the first day. Weekly time frame. We got price action moving up. Went dips, almost touching the 200 MA. Which is maybe a bottom for this, and maybe not. If it goes down, it can probably go down to 58, 300, maybe around, it's around this part, 58, 460 might be a target. The bear target down here at 48, 786. But on the high side, on the swing high side, we have some leverage or some liquidity up at 97. Probably went at 126 at the high. So we'll have to see if this responds to be the bottom or not. Right now we're just showing bullish action, no evidence of turning back up. On a daily time frame, we have, of course, price action going under the 200 MA, and 200 MA is turning down, showing bearish action. We got this drop all the way down here, and it's a higher low and a little bit of a higher low. Let's see if that continues and responds and keeps on going to another higher low, or if this is going to be like a bear flag that goes down even lower, down to here maybe, around outside about the 48 range. Remains to be seen. Hourly time frame, we're just chopping sideways, accumulation forming. Had a drastic drop, then another smaller drop, and these two double bottom here. Sometimes a double bottom is an indication that we may move to the upside, but we'll have to see if that's gonna be true here or not. But I know we're gonna have some news forming this week as well too, especially being the first week of the month. Non-farm is probably gonna come out as well, so this can be a little bit of a choppy week. Let's go from here for the trend lines. We got a trend line forming, red lines are the action lines. So we connect all the higher highs, and now we're coming down to a point here. Then we got the safety lines, we're holding up all the low swing lows, and we're going to this point. So we have a little triangle forming here, triangle pattern. See if price action keeps on bouncing back and forth between here, and if it pops up above the 15-minute action line or below this safety line here. We have a general trend here. It's been going sideways, price action has, so this could be accumulation, could be a manipulation forming here, and possibly another manipulation, and then waiting for distribution to the upside or distribution to the downside. Or this actually could be all, it's possible this could all be just sideways movement accumulation, and the manipulation is yet to come. But this is all speculative, we can't know for sure. We got all these announcements coming up, which are indicated by all these vertical lines. We got CPMI to non-farm, unemployment claims, non-farm again, unemployment rates, all this stuff coming from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. that we have to keep aware of and keep note of. We'll see how it responds. So this will be an interesting week to see how it plays out. It's going to be going sideways, waiting for a change in this sideways accumulation trend. And when we get that trend, we can see if we're going to pump or if we're going to dump. And that's going to be the update for Bitcoin on the weekly time, and also on the monthly, since we got a new month going.